Sick of staring at that crack in the wall or that door that keeps sticking? Well, it may not be as easy as plastering over the crack or sanding down the door. As many have found out, these common domestic annoyances can actually be a sign that your home's foundation has a problem that may need to be repaired. That's where GL Hunt comes in.
GL Hunt is a structural repair company. We really specialize in not only the inspection process of the home and dealing with the current position that the home is in, but also identifying why the home is in that position to begin with. The most common things that we experience start really with sheetrock cracks. You can have a vertical or a horizontal or even a diagonal sheetrock crack inside the home. Another real common thing are doors not working properly. There are also cracks in the brick, expansions that have opened up around windows and doors on the outside. So if you pay attention to, that weather pattern, you look at, historical data, you can see a trend in where the seasons were more drastic, where that change was more drastic. That will directly drive the structure's movement and the business.
GL Hunt has been serving the state of Texas since 1987. And that record of great service has earned them some big fans.
Came out when they're supposed to and they finished it in one day. That's the process.
When you buy a home, it is your biggest asset. When there is foundation repair, it's extremely important to get it done as quickly as possible. Our approach is a little different in the sense that we have stages that we walk a customer through. Going through foundation repair is very scary for a lot of customers simply because they don't understand. They know something is happening to their home and they're not sure what is happening, how much it's going to cost them to fix it, and they're feeling a lot of fear and anxiety. So when you call us, we kind of put that at ease.
So what are some things to know if you suspect that your foundation may be damaged?
While we're on the property, we're doing a comprehensive inspection. I want to first understand what the customer's concerns are. I'm going to speak with them. I want them to show me what they're talking about, and then I can qualify that. No, this isn't a concern, and here's why, or yes, it is. Let me investigate more. I'm going to expect a certain thing to be present. For example, if it's raining outside, I'm going to be looking for standing water. I'm going to be looking for those signs where water's not going into a gutter or it's overflowing the gutter because they're clogged.
I am so proud of this team because we were going through some pretty unprecedented times in this world, and it's kind of scary for a lot of people, but my team showed up every day with a smile on their face because they didn't want even one customer not to be answered. Any company can do what we do, but not every company cares about the customers that they work for. We know that our customers are the reason why we're here, and that's why I think it sets us apart.
I like to solve problems, and every single day it's a different problem. There's a different customer that I get to meet. I get to get a window into their life, of their personal experiences, their problems that they're going through, and tailor our repair and manage their expectation based on their specific situation. We look at this as almost a marriage, if you will. Whether this owner that currently owns the home keeps this home or not, GL Hunt is married to that property. So we want to educate the current homeowner. We want to educate the new homeowner coming in to purchase it. We want to inform them on things that are relevant for their specific circumstance so that what we're doing, whether we're actually installing piers or not, can be successful.
To find out more about GL Hunt, visit glhunt.com and designingspaces.tv.